Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to use one WhatsApp account on two phones. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-Minute Solution. So first of all, launch your WhatsApp application and tap on this three-dot icon to the upper right hand corner and tap on linked devices. Now tap on link a device and now open WhatsApp web through web.whatsapp.com on your secondary phone. For example, this is my secondary phone and now I'm gonna opening my Chrome browser and type here web.whatsapp.com and tap on this three-dot icon to the upper right hand corner and click on desktop site. So open WhatsApp on your secondary phone and scan the code from the screen and you will be ready to access WhatsApp of the same number on the secondary phone. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.